these types of market action, but from an intuitive standpoint, from a
Right.
standpoint of like, how do I actually grab it? How can I draw it? How can I visually see it? How do I see these symmetries? Because there's so many patterns. Okay, we're just getting started. Okay, there's so many patterns that when you start getting into the Fibonacci sequence patterns, that's when things are not so linear anymore. You're not looking at like some kind of broad, crazy fractal stuff, or people take it away like, oh, they take away the time scale, they put it into logarithmic scale, and now the chart looks different, but then they can see a different kind of pattern because depending on how you draw a chart, right, you can see different kinds of patterns depending on how you scale the axes. So if your typical Cartesian coordinate, 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit is 1 unit, right? It's just kind of going like that. But there's some where it's like this is one, but then two is this big, and then the scale is different. That's like a logarithmic, for example. So when you plot something on a scale that is stretched or a scale that's kind of warped, you can see other types of patterns, and that's why those things exist. Okay.